you're thinking of starting up a YouTube channel in 2026, but you're scared and you're thinking maybe you're too late, don't know what to do, and you're already confused about where to start from, then this video is for you. Hi, this is Ali Virtue, and yes, this is Grow with this channel. Welcome to 2026. Happy New Year to you. I hope that you had fun during the festive period. I hope you had time with your family. You are welcome to this channel. Now, if you're new here, this channel is for beginners who want to grow on YouTube. There are no fake promises here, no sugarcoating. I go ahead to tell you the truth about what you need to know and how exactly you should do the things you need to do here the right way in order for you to see the result that you're looking for. This January, I'm putting out series, right? I'm putting out a series for us, and it is beginners friendly. It is focusing on beginners. The purpose of this particular series is to ensure that people have asked me over and again, grow with me. How did you start? How did you grow your channel? And you have seen the result that you have seen. You're currently monetized on Visa Freak, and currently you're heading to monetization on Grow with V. How are you doing it? I thought about it and I thought, okay, it is better that I put out a series where people who want to begin on YouTube can have a guide, right? And they'll be able to, watch one video, watch another, and begin to grow their channel from the setup to what you will need to the information you need and exactly how to put out your videos. I will be doing all that in the series. You can just watch one playlist whenever you get to find this video. You can just watch one playlist and you'll be able to take that series more like it's going to be a course for you who is here for the first time. You watch that series and you'll be able to start up your own YouTube channel. Like I said, there's no sugarcoating, there's no hidden truth, there's no faking or anything. Everything is going to be, I'll be showing you step by step what I have applied. I will always say that I get to teach people from my own experience, right? So I'll be sharing with you what I have experienced and how I've been able to navigate around YouTube in the past 3 to 4 years. Welcome once again to my channel. Let's get right into today's topic. So the big question here is YouTube still worth starting up in 2026? I think I've heard people say, no, YouTube is too difficult, YouTube is too saturated, there are a lot of creators putting out content there, when and how will my own video fly? All of these questions are the reasons why I need to help you grow on YouTube. Do you get the point? All of these reasons are the reason why I'm putting out these videos for you in the month of January. There are questions like YouTube is too saturated, the niche I want to do is already crowded, how do I get viewers, how do I get this, how do I get that? Don't worry, just be patient with this series. I'm certain that before the end of January, if you can follow through with everything that we've taught here, you will be able to you'll be able to begin your own channel and grow your channel and see the results that you are looking for. The real truth is people come on YouTube to search for different things every single day. And as a matter of truth, some persons even come here just to enjoy and relax. They don't look for any information. They just need something that can keep their mind alert, right? They just need something that they can engage with that will keep their mind busy. They want to just have something that they can binge watch on. Some come here for information, as we already know. Whatever the reason that they come here, the truth is you can be that person who gets to put out your content here and get to give people the information or the entertainment that they need. Your niche right now is not the main focus currently. All I want you to know is if anybody should be starting their channel in this year, it should be you. No more procrastination. You have something that somebody needs. There's an information you have that somebody needs. It could be how to make hair. It could be how to produce something. It could be how to use a particular app. It could be how to train your child. There are lots of information stored within you that somebody out here needs. That is the truth. People come online to search for different things. If you doubt me, go on your search bar. Go on YouTube, go on your search bar and just type in a particular topic in your own head. Something that you know that is particular to you, right? Something that you know that it is ringing in your head currently. As you're hearing my voice, it's ringing in your head. Go on and type that topic in the search bar and you'll be amazed how many contents will pop up or how YouTube is going to show you other related topics under that same thing that is in your mind. So this is the reason why you need to create your own content. You need to put out your own information out here. You might be helping somebody solve a problem. There's no need to procrastinate and say, I'll do it. Next year is already here. We're in the beginning of a new year. Why procrastinate? Why do you want to keep going back and forth when you can just start already? who should start a channel? If you're willing to learn, if you're willing to be patient, if you're ready to go through the process, then you are definitely the one to start a YouTube channel. And if you are not ready to learn, if you're not going to be patient, if you want quick money, if you want to get it in the next 1 month, then maybe this video you should just skip and pass, right? Go ahead and forget about the series if you're looking for easy way out. Because the truth is, if you really want to have longevity on YouTube, you want to have good audience retention, you want to have good views on your channel, then you need to pay attention to being patient and show up consistently. As the series continues, right, I'll drop more information about what you need to do. But don't forget that you are the one that needs to put out content there this year. And with my help, with my guide, I'm very certain that you'll be able to do this. Let's just, put our mind into it. Watch out for the next video, because in the next video I'll be telling you exactly what you need to do next. Now that your mind is prepared, I'll be explaining to you what you need to do next so that you can begin your journey. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, happy new year. You're welcome, and I'm hoping to see you in my next video. Just in case you don't know, this playlist up here can actually be a guide already. If, let's say, you already have experience already on YouTube, you already putting out content, but you really want to get monetized this year, this playlist up here, you should go ahead and click on it. You will get the information you are looking for. You see this video showing down here, you can also click on it to see how I also got monetized on my second channel. For now, do have a blessed day. Bye.